Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are all safe at home. Today's thought of the day is difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. I repeat, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. It means if you face failure in life, you should try to overcome all the barriers. Then you can survive on a better path of life. मतलब कठिन सड़कें हमेशा सुंदर जगहों की ओर ले जाती है। कठिन सड़कें हमेशा सुंदर जगहों की ओर ले जाती है। Today we will learn chapter 6, Our Neighborhood. Before we start, let us know what is neighborhood. What do you mean by our neighborhood? We live in a house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. जो एरिया हमारे घर के आसपास होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Our neighborhood. You can see it in the picture. Now let us know who are our neighbors. Who are our neighbors? People who live in the neighborhood are called neighbors. People who live in the neighborhood are called neighbors. जो लोग हमारे आसपास रहते हैं उन्हें हम neighbors कहते हैं. Now let us discuss some important places in our neighborhood. Today we are going to discuss market, hospital, police station and bank. Let us see this picture. Can you tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of a market. We all have visited market with our parents. We go to the market. But why do we go to the market? We go to the market to get useful things that we need in our daily life. हम मार्केट किस लिए जाते हैं? जो कुछ हमें घर में ज़रूरत होती है वो सामान खरीदने के लिए हम कहाँ जाते हैं? हम मार्केट जाते हैं. So, market is a place from where we buy things. जो भी कुछ हमें घर में ज़रूरत होती है हम सभी कुछ मार्केट से लेके आते हैं. There are many shops in a market that sell various things. मार्केट में बहुत सारे दुकानें होते हैं जहाँ से हमें सब सामान मिल जाते हैं. Next we come to the hospital. Hospital is a place where sick people are treated. Hospital is a place where sick people are treated. Now children, you can say, when do we go to the hospital? We go to the hospital when we are sick Or you can also say we go to the hospital when we get hurt. जब हमें कोई चोट लगती है या फिर हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? हम हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं। हम हॉस्पिटल लेकिन क्यों जाते हैं? क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल में डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस होते हैं जो हमारी देखभाल करते हैं। So, a hospital is a place where sick people are treated. The doctors and nurses work in the hospital. They give us medicine, take care of us, and help us to get well soon. So we go to the hospital when we get hurt or we fall ill. The doctors and nurses in the hospital give us medicine, take care of us, and help us to get well soon. Okay, children? Now let us see the next picture. You can find out which picture is this. Can you see, children? Which picture is this? This is a police station. Police station में क्या होता है? A police station is a place where policemen work. जहाँ पे policemen काम करते हैं. The police help us to keep our neighborhood safe by catching robbers and thieves. They keep the neighborhood safe by catching robbers and thieves. They make sure that people follow rules and live peacefully with each other. वो ये भी ध्यान रखते हैं कि सभी कोई शांति से रहें और अच्छे से रहें. वो थीव्स पकड़ते हैं, चोरों को पकड़ लेते हैं. So, the policeman keeps our neighborhood safe. Now the next is the bank. Have you gone to the bank with your parents? A bank is a place where people keep money and jewelry. Okay? Banks keep them safe for us. बैंक में हम हमारे पैसे, बहुत सारे पैसे और ज्वेलरी रखते हैं. बैंक उसको अच्छे से संभाल के रखता है. बैंक also lend money to people to buy a house, a car or to study. बैंक पैसे भी देता है लोगों को जिसे घर खरीदना होता है या फिर कार खरीदनी होती है या फिर आगे पढ़ाई करनी होती है तो उनको बैंक लोन देता है. So, banks lend money to people to buy a house, a car or to study. Many neighborhoods have an ATM. बैंक में ATM भी होता है. ATM से क्या मिलता है? An ATM is an automatic machine that allows people to take money out from the bank anytime. Okay, children? I hope you have understood these neighborhood places. We will continue the chapter in the next video. Now, we will do the hard words that you have to write in your notebook for 4 times. Okay, children? So, let's start. The hard words. The first one, neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. The people who live in the neighborhood are called neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Medicine. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. B-A-N-K. Bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. Fire station. F-I-R-E. Fire. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Fire station. F-I-R-E. Fire. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Fire station. Post office. P-O-S-T. Post. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Post office. P-O-S-T. Post. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Post office. Firefighters. Firefighters. F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S. Firefighters. F-I-R-E. Fire. F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S. Firefighters. So children, again I am repeating all the words that you have to write for 4 times in your notebook. Neighbors, market, hospital, medicine, park, bank, police station, fire station, post office, firefighters. Okay, children? So, children, thank you. Have a wonderful day.